This is video 9480, and I'm going to be unboxing a Kwikset doorknob. Now, I'm doing this because I'm going to replace the old Defiant doorknob with a new one for this door. So let's get started and open up this package. And careful not to lose the bolts for those snuggle. Screwdriver here, and open this thing up. So this is a Kwikset doorknob. Bought it for 25 bucks, and it comes with 2 keys and this is the back of it. Let's go and open it up. This is a Non-Smartkey lock. And it's not. This is the regular Non-Smartkey doorknob. Just gonna open it up. Open it up here because I'm afraid to lose the parts if I open it down there. And let's see, how can I open this thing up without cutting the package? Because of the Defiant ones, you would normally just, oh, here it is. I would normally just open the, I'm going to use some scissors because I don't think this is sealed shut, which this should honestly not do, because if they don't return it, how am I supposed to do that? And yes, just trying to improve my new secret room. I'm gonna try to add storage for the tracks because I have way too many. The toys outside are just sitting there, and I cannot get this thing open, so I can't. Fortunately, I have to cut through the package. Yeah, it sucks because I'm supposed to close it in, keep the extra parts in there. Not like the Defiant ones where you can just close the whole thing because it has a milk. Alright, well, I can smell it. Smell that tape, like if you were painting your own bedroom. Here it is. So I can't open it all the way, unfortunately. Alright, so here we have the doorknob. Let me get my... These are the bolts for the other doorknob. Right there. This one almost looks like... Yeah, why is it like that? It's still dirty. Oh, this is oil. So you need to actually wipe it off. Because the reason why you do that is because... I'll get to you guys. Just a second. Okay, so when you touch these locks, they come in oil, and that oil is there to prevent them from rusting while they're being delivered to the warehouse from the factory, and then from there they get taken to the stores. And then, unlike food expires, so this does not expire, but the oil will protect it. If not, they're gonna be all rusted and people are not gonna want to buy them. So that's what the oil is for. So I'm trying to clean most of it off. It smells like a brand new doorknob. It almost looks like the one from my closet, but that one is doesn't have a lot. It's just the regular one. Deadbolt here, same thing. Gonna clean it off with the paper towel. And yeah, it looks like it's, when you buy it, it looks like it's used, but if you clean it with a, yeah, it's just oil. Clean it with a towel. It's on the, and this is the internal part. Once again, cleaning everything off. You can use wipes. Okay, just the lock itself is. I wish I had a tripod, but this stuff kind of smells weird, so that's why I am installing it in the closet. We have the keys right here, and my front door just got replaced. And we have the, and this is gonna be the greasiest part. Yeah, this is so greasy. Alright, it's open. See, the package is already damaged because I apparently can't open this whole thing. All I can defiant one, which is much easier. When cutting this with scissors, be careful not to cut. Doorknob latch, and we have the deadbolt latch all the way on the other side, the top right. I want to open it that hard because it's gonna pop. And yeah, it seems like sealed shut. You can't even. I tried everything to open it, but you can't. See, I can just feel that this whole thing is just one piece. It feels like a defiant doorknob, because I'm talking things upwards, but the freaking manufacturer decided to I want to cut the instructions right away. Well, they're right here. But nothing else is going to get cut other than the instructions. Be careful with the scissors. Avoid cutting. And here is the. I can't pull it out. It's stuck. This latch is literally all the way in here. I have to take a knife and cut it. The packaging. This is the deadbolt, but I can't get it out. This package is so freaking dumb. You can't. I'm sorry if I can't if I can't show you guys this right now because it's like I wish the manufacturer added. There you go. That should be able to take it out now. As you know, got this piece of plastic that joins. There we go. And finally, there we go. And ouch. These are greased. It's a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it off. The paper towel. Because what is the doorknob grease? These are pre-greased from the factory. They do this to prevent them from rusting. But I'm gonna take it off either way, so we still got more grease right here. That's why it smells like funky, so I'm gonna take it off. There we go. Okay, we have the doorknob latch. And hopefully this does not have the screw issues like the Defiant one. I paid $30 for it, so that's like 32. I got the faceplate. Since these are similar, I'm gonna go ahead and install these for that door right there for a futuristic doorknob. And I'm going to put this over here. So you're gonna put this latch here. Now it's time to install a doorknob. So this latch goes right here, aligned with this hole. And then the doorknob. Ah, this is also greased. Okay, never mind. External. I don't want to damage my doorknob. External part of the doorknob. External. Let's see. What way does it go? So this doorknob is actually much different than this Defiant doorknob. As you can tell that it has a square shaft. This one has like this, which means that you can only put it one way. This one you can put it like this or like that. So if the doorknob is facing outwards, the shaft with the compress it goes, it's gonna be a little bit more stronger. And we got the external part of the doorknob installed. I mean the internal part of the doorknob. And this goes like this. Also, I've never seen that little key right there. That's actually something brand new that they added. Because I have another one of these doorknobs. And that was actually for a bathroom. Like my restroom doorknob. Because it was originally like this. And it was replaced in 2019 with the current one, with the silver one. After it broke, the latch got stuck. Alright, well, let's go ahead and put those screw holes in. And let's see if it works. So, we got the wooden bench at California Pizza Kitchen. We're gonna put the Cheesecake Factory bench next. So we got the face plates. This bag has all the smaller hardware. No, I can't get this thing open. Take some scissors and cut it. Not cut the memory, but just above it like that, and then dump it into my toolbox. And then these are for the deadbolt. And I think these are for the doorknob. I'm not sure what these are for. Wait, let's go ahead and see these out. So, okay, so these are for the. These are definitely for the Oh, you know what? So this bench actually reminds me of. I could have done something wrong with this doorknob. Like I could have installed the wrong screws. I might have installed the doorknobs, the faceplate screws instead of the doorknob ones. So I'm going to check that right now. Oh wait, these are for the deadbolt. Oh wait, anything else in the package? Okay, so we should have. Okay, I don't know what these screws are about. Got the deadbolt screws, and we got the. I'm not sure what these screws are for. I think I'm going to install this over here. And using my flathead screwdriver, the mini one. Then screw it in. But here comes the tricky part. I've never installed a Kwikset doorknob, but the holes are actually more higher. Like all the way up there. Well, do you want to inspect? Okay. Having a hard time putting these screws in. I think these are for the doorknob. Yeah, they're these. I can't see anything. The video right now.